Hey everyone, we're back with month 3 update. Really, it's month 3 plus 1 week, as today is February 7th. If we take a look at our demo account, and we can see that, we started this November 4th. Today is February 7th, and the market is closed, right? So the foreign exchange market will close Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern time and will reopen Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern time. So while it's closed, we're not able to start any bots, but you can still view the statistics and the results over the past week or duration of your account. So let's take a look here over the last month. We had a bit of a drawdown and still recovering. This is due to the Greenland debacle, some of the comments made by the administration. We are starting to see a little bit of a recovery with what's happening with the Federal Reserve Chair. So patience is key. There will be moments and times of drawdown on this account, but if you're in account autopilot mode, we handle those downturns for you. We have automatic risk management, margin management. So there's things that we're doing to help prevent that from going down further and further. So if we take a look this last month, we did about a 4% return, even though we had that drawdown. And over the duration of the account, since it's been running, we've had an 11.5% return. Again, the growth that we're mentioning is based off of the balance. What we show here is our net asset value. Again, so if you liquidated everything at this point in time, this is what you would be left with. But with EpicFlow, we encourage you to let it run, let it build, let that balance continue to grow, and your account will grow over time. We can see here that the balance that we have is $111,529. And remember, we started this at $100,000. So the bots that we have, you can see here that we have 5 bots running. And let's just kind of walk through them real quick. So the Euro Canadian short, this one has been running just a little over a week. It had an exit, 8 days ago, basically. Canadian Swiss franc had an exit 4 days ago. The USD Swiss franc has been running now for 2 months, 60 days. And we'll look into how that's benefiting us as well, even though it's a bit of a drawdown. Euro USD has also been running for 77 days, and the USD Canadian has been running for 17 days. So if we take a look at our USD, because this has been running for over 30 days, we'll do a lot of trading within this particular run. And you can see here that the blue open circles are open orders, the blue solid ones are closed orders, and the red are the sell orders. So what's happening here is because this has been running for over 60 days, so it was started December 8th, and this is now January 8th over here, it will start closing out some of the older orders and resetting the buying price and restarting the algorithm. So all of these red are sells for gains. So even though we didn't have an exit during this time, we still are able to generate revenue. And we can see that in our monthly reports. That within the USD Swiss franc, no exits, right? Because it's been running for 2 months. And we had our daily finance credits that during that week, and it closed $222 worth of trades. The Euro USD, same thing, no exits, but it actually closed trades as well. But if we look at the USD Canadian, right, we only see the finance credit, no gains. So if we take a look back at this one, because this has been running for 17 days, it hasn't hit that 30-day threshold where we'll then start doing those automatic trading. So we can see here that it's been buying. It's recovered some, and we're getting closer to the average price, but it's not going to sell. If it continues down this path for another 13 days and not exiting, and after that 30 days is up, it will start selling out some of those open orders. And again, just to generate some of the profit and gains. And one of the things that we added, if you didn't see the video last week, is we've enhanced our custom exit. So now you can actually specify different types of exits, immediate actions. I can close it now and restart. I can have a trailing stop, or you can set your take profit stop loss if you wanted to take more manual control over the exits, or you can set a full bracket order. Hey, I'm gonna, sell if it hits here. I will sell if it drops below a certain amount. And if you do set one up, let's just say we set this up to take profit on this guy if it gets to 0.567. And you'll see the indicator here letting you know. And you can always reset it back to the default mode. Again, that's determined by the min profit exit and profit buffer. So just another way for you to take control of the exits if you need. So if you want to follow along, you want your own system to see how that runs, feel free to go to epicflow.io. Super easy to set up. All you have to do is come in here and click sign up, and it'll take you to the login page. Setting up a Wanda demo account is fairly easy as well. And we have an onboarding wizard to add an account. And we have an onboarding wizard that will walk you through how to set this up and connect and demo, and it'll just run. Happy trading and see you soon.